Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna play Animatronics Salvages. So let's get started with this, guys. Right now we're here in the game. So let's level select. First, let's try Rockstar Freddy. Okay. Okay, let's. Okay. Check that. Okay, I moved. Okay. Okay, guys. So right now we're doing. Right now, guys, we're doing real good. Okay. Okay, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Off. Okay, come on. Okay. That. Let's go. So we completed Rockstar Freddy. Now let's move on to Rockstar Bonnie. Okay. I don't know if it's moving, but okay. Come on. That was so close. Maybe what about like let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Um, I don't really understand the concept. Maybe let's try Rockstar Chica. Okay. Okay. I. Hmm. This is kind of weird. Okay. So that was weird. Let's check this part over here. Oh, coming whenever. That was really really exciting. Mm. Okay, guys. Uh, like and subscribe for the next episode of this. Next episode, I will be doing Rockstar Bonnie. I never said, but okay then. Okay, guys, I did not touch the button. I'm not sure that worked, but okay. Yeah, I totally knew that would happen. But like and subscribe for more and the next episode on this.